Hello friends. So today quickly I will talk about like how we can add validations to the reactive form in Angular for better data handling and user input control. So yeah, let's take one example and yeah, we will add the validations. So now let me open the project on the local host. Let me open it so that you will get more understanding of what form I am talking about. So here, we started. So simply here we created a form. So to use a reactive form, firstly we need to declare create a form group. So here we created a form group. Under that we have we have initialized this form group here. So in this form group, what fields we have? We have these fields: price and all, price, taxes, email. Yeah, but there are different fields that we declared under it, and we added the validation. Like suppose we are using email. So in the email, if I show you, so here, where is that email? Okay, so I think email is not there, so it is not. It should not be declared here. It should be removed from here, and need to move it to the here. Okay, so email field is declared, so we need to add the controls here. Apart from it, like let's see another form field. Let's see another form field. Yeah, let's see purchase price. So here we have this field control name. So here we added this property what is required. So it's required field. So let's see, like the project is running now. So let's see. So this is under the single detail form control. So here, so if you see here, it is not enabled currently because we have ignored the values now. Let me enter. So now if you see here, I added the value. So now it is showing, it is not showing error. So now it is showing error pre-provided. So yeah, we have to check the validations on all fields. Price, taxes, okay, purchase price, taxes, and tax value. Okay, so these are the values that we have added. So here on the txt value, we have added multiple checks here, like minimum length, forwarded name. So this is simple. Another validation we have added. So here, so here it should have a minimum length of 4. So yeah, so that, so why this control is not visible? Because this form was invalid. So it is disabled in case of invalid. If it is not, if it is valid, then it is not disabled. So if you see here, if this control is this basically disabled currently. So if I enter the value now, so you can see here it is enabled now. And if you want to see the value of it, so you can check it here. So you will get the value of those form controls whatever you added. And yeah, and these are the inbuilt property of Angular. So yeah, you can use it like that. And if I talk about this name validator, yeah, so this is a custom, means if you want to add custom validator like this should be this string, so you can add like that also. And here on the purchase price also I added some validations. So if you see here, purchase price, so let me put some here values. Yeah, so if you see here values we are adding, it is updating all those things. So these things are dependent, and how we make it dependent. So here I think we have added somewhere the formula or something like that. So here we calculate purchase price. So when we are entering value on purchase price, it will change. And you can track the changes and all. I means you can check the form changes if there are changes going on in the form. And yeah, I think we have covered all those things. I'm just checking like is there anything left or not. So I think we have covered all the things. Yeah, if you have guys any doubts, so you can comment on the video. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.